Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video we are going to talk about a face mask which will instantly brighten and freshen up our skin. Today we are going to make a banana face mask which will help to moisturize our skin. Bananas are good for our health as well as for our skin. They have a lot of benefits. They are a great natural moisturizer for our skin as they have vitamin A in them. The nutrients in banana helps fight wrinkles and keeps our skin youthful. Bananas have anti-aging properties. Bananas are hydrating. If you have an oily skin, it helps to reduce and get rid of oiliness. Also, it is very good for reducing acne spots and dull skin. The ingredients that we require are a half cut banana, turmeric or haldi, 1 teaspoon yogurt, honey, and finally rose water. Now we will mash the banana. We will add a pinch of turmeric. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Now we will add half a teaspoon of honey in it. Finally, we will add some drops of rose water in it. Now our face mask is ready and we will apply it. I have applied the face pack and I will leave it on for 20 minutes and I will wash it off with cold water. So I will see you guys after 20 minutes. So guys, I am back after washing my face. This face mask is really great and really works. So do give it a try. Banana is the best for our skin and the other ingredients, that is yogurt, turmeric, honey and rose water, work their magic alongside. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section below that how did it work for you guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so every time I post a new video you will be notified first. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy and stay positive. Bye.